machinery show, I thought I'd give you all a little tour. Got a big oil field running here. Look at this. This is a Alice Chalmers tractor powered by a oil-filled engine, a Bessemer, an AC Thomas. May get this one started here in a little bit, but wow. Oil engines are some of my favorite things. There we go. There's that one running again. Unique things. Show you around back here. What we've got back here is a project that they're working on currently, trying to get finished, but just that one's in for now. Come on, we have a tractor with a orange cover here. Washing machine right there. And washing clothes back in the day. Got a ton of them. Got a Model E. Got one back here. There. Got one there. One right there. One right there. One that they want to get started. Big old Hatton Brothers. This one. Got this one. All these corn shellers and grinders. I'm just in heaven here. Got this big boy right here, probably a 10-horse Fairbanks. I'm in engine heaven. Gonna work on getting this big boy patent started. I'm gonna be there every second of it. You know, I'm gonna spend the most time on the engines. I'll try to get, the tractors too as well, but the engines are what I want to see mainly, so that's what we're gonna do. National LB engine. This is an Eclipse. See, it's kind of weird upright as compared to your normal engine. Oil field engine is what this one and that one running is. They're primarily used in the oil fields. Even some of these smaller Myrics and Eclipses were used in the oil fields. And yeah. John Deere running. Smooth running John Deere. Well, it shut off. So this engine is a Delaware and Seafang, however you say it. It is Northfield. You can hear that thump coming from a mile away. Gotta let the hot tube heat up first, and then they'll turn the flywheel and get this puppy started. It's an AC Thomas. Put an AC Thompson there because you know Alice Chalmers AC logo, and then Thomas. If you want to see more Oracle, then just come down to the Sunbury Farming Festival, September 20th and 21st, or 21st and 22nd, one of the two. And we're gonna have some, or they're gonna have some Oracles down there. Here you go. There's your caramel lamb. Running it. Real quick, we're making ice cream. I think we're getting ready to start the old AC Thomas powered tractor. I've always seen videos of this thing, but I've never seen it in person, and this is going to be cool to watch it start up. Got the Bovard and Seafang still chugging away. Sorry, they're going to start both up at once. I'll be there for whichever one starts first. I'm going to start this one first. Starting her. Get this one started up, and then we'll get that green one started up over there. Most Oracle engines I've seen in the show in a long time. 3 is pretty good. Gonna get started on an Oracle powered tractor. We're trying. Oh, we're getting closer every try. Well, we tried to get her fired up. Quite alright. Fire her up some other time. Case in point, we're gonna get this one fired up. Back there we got flywheels to an engine that might be repaired later on. Looks like a grain wheel planter. All fun here at the Delaware County Farm Machinery Show, Rosecrans Road, Sunbury, Ohio. Yeah, lots of fun. Got a neat half-scale 40-20 here. The dual. Always nice to see. This little neat little half scale here. Got this cub. Ford with the loader attachment. Some neat one. We'll get it fired up here. Farmall 200, Farmall H, my bad, with the cultivators. We got a cub. Got a Farmall H with the cultivators. Very nice. Farmall M. We'll try at the engine again. Farmall M. We got an F20 here. Got a Farmall H. Very nicely restored. Farmall 450. Probably this corn sheller attached to this wagon. Good stuff. Show you definitely don't want to miss. Nice little setup here. They were close on that one. Figured I'd walk away and show you all this. Delaware that's safe on is getting a little powy. Corn shell. No engine there. Farmall 350. I'm gonna walk away from it since usually when I walk away is when it starts up, so when I watch they'll never get started. It's always how it goes. Farmall A, AM, 60 or 70 John Deere. This is a neat little Silver King. John Deere 4010 diesel. Pretty unique model. Alice WC. Big boy over 1855. Got a John Deere 60, and then next we got something unique, a 560 diesel. That you may never see again. 560 diesel. That's a unique tractor. Not many of those with those turf tires. Toy booth setting up there. John Deere M. Got some old garden tractors here for sale. Wheels. Not gonna go back there, but there are some old structures, some old F30s and stuff, but I'm not gonna go back there. Actually see that over there, but I'm not gonna go back there. Got that International, probably a TD6 crawler. Not gonna go back there and look at that again. Just projects to working on. Got the M project going there. Grain drill. Got Norfolk engine and yep. Sale out C. 800 up bucks. Some projects here. Some definite projects. Had a project hit and miss on the trailer there. Couple project hit and misses. Got a Farmall H. Got an M. John Deere A. John Deere B. C with the front snow blade. Got an A or B. Super C. Another Super C. Super M. Super H. Got a Silver King, another one. This one's pretty unique. Farmall C. Ferguson. 300. Minneapolis V. Very unique. John Deere 1010 Special with whatever that is on the back. Let's go take a look. Unique. Got this custom 730 half-scale diesel. This half-scale truck. Been the classic green before. This is a unique model. Got a model 110. Cup Cadet 72. Wheel Horse B100. Wheel Horse Bolin B12. Wheel Horse 702, Wheel Horse Toro 416. Wow, that's neat. I don't think that I've ever seen anything like that. Cub Cadet Hydro. Wheel Horse C141 8-speed. So a little unique with those type front tires. If those were factory. Cub Cadet 129. Wow. My eyes seeing right. It's a hot rod. I've never seen a hot rod like that before. Oh, we're gonna about start it with the Farmall. In the meantime, let's go look some more tractors. Got a Farmall AV high crop. That's a little unique. This one is super unique. It's a Farmall Super M center front wheel high crop. You don't really see many of them too often, so that really peaks the crown. Don't see many of them. And then we got an F20 here. At one tractor, the Bovard and Safon is still chugging away. Wow. It does a little pop here and there. They got it Delaware up to the Farmall 350, that green engine, the Patton Brothers. Gonna get it. Mate wet. That slipped off. Never mind. We have not started the engine. Manure spreader over there. Farmall H. Super M. Farmall 350. Here's a unique one. It's a Fortune Major Diesel. Can't say that I've ever really seen too many of them in my life. Got a Farmall H. John Deere A with the rear steel on it. Nice little tractor. Feeding the chickens back there. Farmall M. Wow, another Silver King. It's a good looking tractor. Farmall H. Got various things on a trailer. Tractor tires, corn shellers. It's got about everything here. I forgot to show you that we got a Project 4-wheeler on the trailer. Always cool to see. Got all of the row down here, starting with the Super 44. And then we got an Oliver 60 Standard. Oliver Super 55 Diesel. Oliver 88 Row Crop. McCormick Super W9 or W6. Got a nice one out here. McCormick again, W9 or W6. Got a Farmall 8. Farmall 560. Could have had a loader on it at one point. Got a 37 John Deere Model A with the plow. Always a good setup. Got a Model T. Always a good tractor to see. Got a 630. That's these tractors again out of Delaware. Got a Farmall H. Got W4. Oh, an old case or something Britain made. 720 diesel puller. Unfortunately, I don't have tractor pulls here, but if they did, it'd be kind of neat to see this one pull. Farmall Cub. Model H Farmall. Farmall M. Alice D17. Oliver 66. That unique thingy on the back. John Deere 520. Alice C. All unique tractors here at the Delaware County Antique Farm Machinery Show. Delaware, Ohio, and Sunbury, Ohio. At a farm out here in Rosecrans Road. This one must have participated in the math and half. Got an Oliver 60. Oliver Super 66. Very unique of what we got back here. You can ride along the back if you so choose. Farmall 560. Minneapolis Jetstar 3. Here's the big boy, 4230. They're in the process of still getting that patent started. I think they gave up on the Bessemer, might do it next. John Deere 630. McCormick W4. And a Farmall H. Let's go see what they're doing over there with the patent. They got her somewhat started. go. We're gonna do these tractors next, and then show you some Patton Brothers. Got a Project 3010 or 3020 near front back there. Dynamometers here if anybody wants to dyno their tractor, it looks like. More projects here than I thought. Got an old Massey and a John Deere A or B, so yeah, those back there. Got some more running gear. We got a John Deere G, all original. Got Farm OM set up the pole, if there was a tractor pole here. Looks like a 435 GM diesel, maybe a 430. I'd say 435. Got a 520. Got a John Deere G. Got a 60 John Deere. Got a 430T tricycle. Got a 620. We got a 60. Oh boy, we got the two big boys here. We got a 50-20 dual. That's a big boy. Not a super big show, but still, I mean, decently sized. Always great to have shows here on small town farms. 50-20. Big boy. And right beside it, no surprise, you've probably seen it in the background of all the other rows I've gone through, 8630. Big 8630. They're still trying to get that Patton Brothers started. I hate to video and make you guys wait for 35 some minutes just for them to get that started. I mean, they'll eventually get it started, but then by the time they get started, you won't want to see it run because of how long it's took. They're getting this started. This is a monster. Imagine farming with this boy. Always good time. That's all tractors, so I'll take you back to the engine and you can watch it get started. I think they finally got her started. Don't say nothing, but oh. You're so close. There's your engine display once more. Well, I think I'm going to cut out here. I'll post a separate video if they do ever get it running. And peace out from the Delaware Farm Machinery Show. And this pedal tractor I'm going to fight.